Hello, and today I'm going to be replacing the windshield wiper on my Ford Mustang. Okay, so I am using the Trico Classic wiper, and it is 33-150. So just like pull down this lever and get it out. So when you want to do it, you want to pull down this lever and then you pull up on this and pull it out. Then for just getting it on, just gotta lift it up, stick it in there, give it a good shove. And that's how you replace the windshield wiper. Replace this side. It's the same procedure as last time, but it's just gonna be a little awkward because I have to lean over a lot. I think I got it in there. We've decided that we want to use the old frame and the new rubber because the old frame has like these numbers. It says, what does it say? 3056160 can.63. And we've decided to just put the new rubber on these. So I'm just gonna get the end that doesn't have the little clip and you slide it on there. And there you go. Okay, hello. And we're gonna just test them. We just sprayed some vinegar and water mixture on the windshield. And I'm